Hello everyone, this is Sandian for Hanja Bible to look at Korean Hanja and Chinese traditional and simplified Hanzi, 4,000 characters. We have just started. This time we are going to look at the fourth character, this character slash Pie. This character means the movement of yang. Have you heard of yin and yang, the traditional Oriental philosophical concepts? Okay, we are going to look at this mysterious character. Okay, through the index, we are dimensionally located here. The fourth character, 비칠별 slash 피에. We look through all of these characters up to more than 4,000 Chinese characters one by one. Of course, this character came from the first character meaning sky, dot, zu, one stroke, one of the radicals, same shapes in Korean Hanja and Chinese characters. In Korean language, we pronounce the meaning 빛일 별, 빛일 별. In English, it's a slash or stroke. The pronunciation is 피에, 피에. Tone number 3. My symbolic interpretation. In the beginning, the meaning and shape of God's stretching His strong arm, strong right arm, with word from right to left. Can you imagine? In the beginning, the meaning and shape of God stretching, slash or stroke is strong arm, which means God's word, with word from right to left. This is the symbolic analysis of this character. But you may wish to learn this character through shape. In this case, it's the shape of slashing a line to the left side from right. Slashing in this case. Okay. Dictionary meanings. In many dictionaries in Korea and China, it's a slash, stretch, spread, spread, draw a line that runs from top right to bottom left. But as I said, hidden meanings are much more important. You need to remember, because we are going to use hidden meanings to interpret all the more complicated Chinese characters originated by Korean ancestors, Dongyi. This character slash pie, this character, it shows the principle of creation as a hidden meaning, and all the hidden meanings. I would say the hidden meanings add endeavor to achieve something, to make, create with word by God. and blow or breathe. Life. Blow or breathe life. Vital energy into and save a life. The light. Positive movement of yang among yin and yang. Walk in truth and justice by Lord God. So the hidden meanings here is very, very important because it shows the principles of creation. This is one stroke, very simple character, one of the radicals, but this character has so many hidden meanings. In this way, you can learn so many complicated characters in this way, in addition to the dictionary meanings. Okay, so the next issue for Chinese learners, why this character has tone number 3 value. Taking left and right, up and down balance, a creating line in the beginning was slashed by God. So tone number 3. Can you imagine? Balance, up and down, left and right, in harmony. So this character can be memorized as the character having tone number 3. Okay? Thank you for your listening, and we will look at the next character next time. Thank you. See you next time.